Bush hut renovations. Have a wall. Almost have a whole wall. There's it's an ant. There's an ant on my wall somewhere. There's another one. But need to reinforce it. Actually, no. This is the reinforcements. We need to get some of this more of the palm tree stuff to put over it. Maybe even some of this little stuff here too. There's even a bit of like chicken wire. Is that what it's even called? Chicken wire? I don't know, some sort of wire. Great. Yeah, so we got that wall done. And then we have a work in progress of a wall here. And there's a lot of chopped up wood we have, so bush hut, it's now part of the bush hut. Some big yellow piece there, which kind of looks a bit dookie, but you know, it's a bush hut, so I'm using whatever I have. I don't want to use like metal and stuff though. That's pretty much the only thing I don't want to use. But everything else, I think that's fallen actually. But everything else is good. Some more wood there. We even have a new addition. A floppy knife hanging from a tree. We have the bottle hanging from the tree, now we have a floppy knife. I made it floppy so if you bump into it, you don't get stabbed. I don't know if a knife hanging from a tree is a good thing to have, but oh well, this is bush hut. Yeah, that's bush hut right now. Gonna do some more. And it looks like a lot of green stuff is growing down there, which is good because I want the bottom to be green. You can't see it now, but I didn't even know what stick it was. On one of the sticks, there was like vines growing up it. You can sort of see here, the vines are growing up the stick. So soon enough, this will whole bottom will be covered in vines, which would be pretty cool. But yeah, more renovations to be done. All right, first wall is complete. From the inside, looks pretty wally, I must say. Lots of leaves, waterproof, and just make it look cool. Kind of hard to even see the whole thing. The camera doesn't really do much justice, but there's a wall there. All the leaves. I ran a bit of mesh or whatever you call that, plastic mesh, I don't know. But yeah, that wall's done, and we still got the Australian flag up. I did some more raking up here. This was first. This was all leaves. Well, every single leaf here was all here. I did some raking here, and I just put it all up to the back of it. For some reason, I came out here and it was just a massive branch from this tree. My camera doesn't want to focus. It looked like it had been cut, but I don't think it was because there wasn't actually saw marks. Actually, I wonder, it's probably still here. The end of it. No, it wasn't that. May have already used it. Oh no, you can sort of see. Focus, please. On the stick. There you go. Yeah, it doesn't really look like it's been sawed off, but it's like a flat cut, so I don't know. But pulled off the leaves and used them for the wall. And on this side, I don't know if I showed it yesterday, but there's a lot of wood here from parts of my caravan. I don't know what these two are going to be for, but I'll think of something. Already got this part tied on. And the good thing is we use the vines around here, because there's heaps of vines, like pretty strong ones too. So we don't really need any rope. I did bring rope, but doesn't look like we'll need it. So yeah. All we gotta do now is finish this wall, and then it's pretty much done. Then we can make another one or something. Maybe extend it. Second wall is probably halfway complete. Many sticks on there. Already got the first leaf bundle, something. Coming along nicely. very nicely. Yeah. I can't speak today. Not much else to say, except I'm gonna keep working. So, yeah.